Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today we're highlighting the 10-5250 Slimline Jet Assembly, originally made by Hydroware. You can order this Slimline Jet in 3 different ways. One is as a complete assembly as shown here, or just a jet cushion assembly, or just a wall flange. The jet cushion assembly is available in white, bone, polished brass, and chrome. Alright, now let me show you how to change that jet cushion assembly. The outside piece here just threads right off. Now, sometimes that can get stiff or difficult to thread off if it's been on there for a while, especially if it's a metal cushion. So you might need to get a pair of channel locks. What I recommend is getting the flat rubber gasket that you use to open up the mayonnaise jar lid with. Put that over the jet face, get a big pair of channel locks, give that a turn. That'll help take that apart. Now, it's a 4-piece kit. You have the jet flange itself that has the male threads on it. Then behind that is the eyeball and nylon. So the nylon here is going to sit right like that, okay, to act as a little bushing so that eyeball can turn around. So that nylon sits right there between the flange and the eyeball. And then deep inside the throat of the jet, let me make sure everybody can see that nice and clear, is an O-ring that sits down there and gives it a seal, okay. So these 4 parts will come with the jet cushion assembly, okay, the O-ring, the nylon, the eyeball, and the flange. All 4 of those parts. So again, when you get them apart, you're going to just do everything in reverse. Now make sure you clean out that old O-ring really good. You might need to get a little toothbrush in there to clean those threads out. Get that new O-ring down in there, and then the eyeball with the nylon on top, and then the wall flange goes over like that. Get it back on nice and snug, and you'll be able to direct that eyeball in any direction that you want. Okay, now if you had to change the whole jet body assembly, you're going to want to get this tool. This tool has 4 notches in it, okay? Make sure this is in focus for you guys. And it's going to fit down into the 4 slots that are on the wall flange. Okay, it's going to allow you to thread the old one out and get the new one in. Nice and easy. All right, here's actually a backside view of how that tool is going to fit inside that wall flange. All right, now the wall flange does come with a gasket. And then the body only comes in one style. It comes with 1-inch water and 1-inch air. Make sure you use the proper PVC cement when plumbing in a new jet body. Okay, you could just order the wall flange by itself. The one on my left hand here has a thread length of 1 1/4 inches long. Okay, and this is the standard wall flange that comes with the complete jet body. If you happen to have a thick wall tub, you can special order this one, the 1 3/4 inch flange. So from the collar here to the end of it is 1 3/4 inches of threads. And the diameter of the male threads of the wall flange is 1 5/8. This will fit in an 1 3/4 inch hole. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Slimline Jet Assembly, originally made by Hydroware. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.